For the twisted ring, I'm taking about a 6 to 8 inch piece of the 20 gauge wire from Artistic Wire. It's a gold color. We'll just take our round pliers and we're going to put them in the middle, and then we're going to bend this around at the halfway point so they're crisscrossed. And now we're going to hold it still with those pliers, or you can get the tweezer nose pliers to hold it in place, and we're just going to make the twist very carefully to keep the wires at the same angle to get an even twist. So make sure these wires stay out at a good angle. I've twisted about 2.5 inches, and then I'm going to get my ring mandrel and I'm going to hold it on the size that I want and bring it around. This will make about a size 7 ring. Just twist as much as you need for your ring size. If you've twisted too much, you can always untwist it a little bit. Trim these ones a little bit. Make sure this one is parallel to the mandrel. You could remove the ring mandrel. You can make the loop a little wider with your round pliers if you need, and then just stick these ends right into that loop. Put it back on the ring mandrel, and then take the ends. You can do it together or one at a time. Bring this one around. Bring that one around. You might have to trim them a little bit more. Not too much. And then these rough ends we're going to push down. Just take the end, bend it down, and then this one too. Take the end and bend it down. So there's no rough ends. You can put it back on the ring mandrel, and then you can get your pliers and just push it down a little bit. Adjust it so it's round. And there you have a very simple twisted wire ring, and the end is very nicely finished.